In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a post on Facebook. After creating or sharing a post on your Facebook timeline, later you want to hide it on Facebook, but I don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get this done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the post that you want to hide. From my homepage, I'm going to tap on my profile menu on the top left corner. This will land me on my profile timeline where I could see a series of posts that I've shared. So I'm going to hide this one, and all I have to do is to navigate to the top right corner where I see the 3 dots beside the post and tap on it. A list of menus will pop up. Then proceed to tap on edit privacy. So this will generate a list of options for me as to who can see your posts. And in order for me to hide this post, all I have to do is to toggle only me on. And once this is done, my post has successfully been hidden on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.